Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the last group. Our topic about individual difference in second language acquisition, instruction, and second language acquisition. Individual difference in SLA is the study of ways some people learn second language better than others. Unlike children who acquire a language, adults learning a second language rarely reach the same level of competence as native speakers of that language. The journal, the first is Elsevier, was founded in 1880. Adopt name and logo from the Dutch publishing house Elsevier. First issue on 27 October 1945, and in 1947 began publishing its the first English language journal. During 2018, researchers submit over 1.8 billion research papers to Elsevier-based publication. Over 20,000 editors manage the peer review and selection of this paper, resulting in the publication of more than 4,700 articles in over 2,500 journals.
Okay, so I will explain about this article. And the title of this article is Individual Differences in Second Language Acquisition of English Phonology, the Relation Between Cognitive Abilities and Phonological Processing. So, the goals of this article is to explore potential predictors, and they assess cognitive abilities, their working memory, attention control, processing speed, and lexical knowledge in first language and second language. And this article also comparing performance on different tasks that tap different types of phonological knowledge. So, in introduction of this article says every element of phonological knowledge in the native language or first language automatically and unconsciously shapes speech perception and word recognition. And the research measures individual differences in phonological processing in three perception tasks, targeting different areas of phonological representation in the second language. They are phonetic categories, and second, complex word onset, and third, word stress. About current study of this article, there are 15 participants spoke English as their first language or native speaker, and there are 30 participants spoke Korean language as first language and were study of English. So the total of the participants, they are 45 at an American university. And the next about design experimental. In this article, there were four of task categories. The first, general. General is about hearing screening, brief A, and background questionnaire. A brief A or standardized rating scale of behavior associated with specific domains of executive function. In this brief A, so brief A is the questionnaire was administered in English. And next, background questionnaire. Background questionnaire is a participant fill out a questionnaire detailing in their language. And there is a hearing screening. Hearing screening is all participants pass a pure tone hearing screening. The second is cognitive tasks. Cognitive tasks, there are three. The first is working memory. Working memory is about simple span task, This is about digit, number, and non-word. And there is a complex plan task. This is about word and sentence. And the second is about attention control. Attention control to measure how easily a learner can shift her attention between various dimensions contained in spoken language. So attention control is use control to get attention from the learners. And the third is processing speed. Processing speed is used the speed naming task in the language. So processing speed is about how speed the learners is naming the object, size, or other objects.
Okay, lexical knowledge is productive vocabulary knowledge as an estimate of vocabulary size was assessed using a picture name tags Zer and Kroll 20 and 01. This is like we observed some moderate negative correlation with L1 velocity lexical retrieval. For example, the faster the L1 RT naming, the higher the phonographic score, but after FDR correction, there was no significant correlation. Shows that if the size of the vocabulary at L1 helps the phonological process in L2, input this relationship is not strong in our data. L2 naming inquiry is also moderately positive, correlates with phonological score, indicating that a large vocabulary at L2 is possible associated with phonological development. However, the VDR correction shows that there is no significant correlation, indicating that the size of L2 vocabulary helps the L2 input process as has been suggested previously. This is about lexical knowledge. And the next materials is phonological processing. Phonological processing have a three type in phonological processing. The first is speed segmental categorization with A, B, X. And the second is rapid encoding of word stress with sequence repetition. And the third is phonotactics and one-set cluster with a speed lexical decision. The phonological processing it's better with lexical knowledge. Okay, and the last is the results in article is we set out to explore potential links between cognitive abilities and individual difference in L2 phonological processing. Individual difference in phonological processing were measured in perception, thus targeting the three phonological dimensions. And the next, the observed relationships indicate that individuals with a high working memory capacity and to some extent higher processing speed had developed a more native-like phonological processing in L2. Known on the demographic background measures was correlated with phonological processing. Overall, our results contribute to show the relationship between cognitive abilities and L2 phonological processing and can be conceived of are potentially impacting the entry phonological system and at least. Okay, that's all for me about lexical knowledge and phonological processing and the results. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.